Goddamn. Yo, what's good people, it's that GTLD. Whoa, let me do that again, wait, hold on. Yo, what's good people, it's that GTLD and I'm back with another banger, man. Now today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to brush your hair for waves, man. There are 4 types of waves. I'm gonna show you how to brush your hair for each one of those types, okay? So make sure you smash the like button, man. You know the target. 10 likes. Let's get 10 likes in this video. I know we can do it, man. Make sure you subscribe as well. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers ASAP. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe as well. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified next time I drop a video, man. So let's get straight into this video. You know. Let's go.
Only you knew what I do for a decent house and a plate of food. Better pay, don't make the news. That's raw. Look.
Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to brush your hair for the 4 different types of waves. What are those 4 types? They are 180, 360, 540 and 720, okay? Now I'm just going to cover how to brush for the waves themselves for beginners, alright? This is really focused on beginners. We'll get into the more complex things later on in another video, but the Wave 101 playlist is all about the beginners, man. So we're going to make sure that this is focused around that. As you can see, I got these 60s, you know what I mean? Damn! They going all the way around, baby. You know what I mean? Come on now. So my pattern is 360, but I can show you what to do with the other patterns as well, man. So what I'm gonna do is, as I talk about each pattern and talk about brushing for each pattern, I'm gonna show you guys on the screen, man. But yeah, make sure you check out the full Wave 101 playlist as well, man. Card in the top right. Everything that you need to get waves as a beginner. Trust me, I got you. And since we're in lockdown, I got a lockdown living playlist. Everything you need to get your waves right in lockdown. Card in the top right. If you wanna be spinning like me, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go check those playlists out, man. But let's get straight into this video, man. So with each pattern, I'm gonna show you what that pattern looks like, and then I'm gonna show you how to brush for it, all right? So with 180 waves, this is what they look like, and this is how to brush for them. You're gonna have to excuse me for the little dancing bit at the front. You know, the tune is a banger, I couldn't help myself. But we're gonna get straight into this, man. So for 180s, it's just gonna be a straight line on your head. So the most important part is the top. So this is how you brush for the top. You're just gonna brush straight down from your crown in the middle of your head to the front of your hairline, all right? Nice and easy. Then at the side, you want it to be in line with the top. So you're basically brushing horizontally from your crown, all right? As you see me doing there. And then on the other side, it's going to be exactly the same, all right? You're going to brush from your crown area horizontally to your hairline, all right? Whenever you brush, you're brushing to the hairline. So you're going to brush all the way through from your crown horizontally to your hairline. Now at the back, you can just brush it straight down. We don't really care that much about the back because you only have 180s. You're probably going to fade it out anyway. But that's how you brush for 180s, nice and easy. Okay, so now with 360 waves, this is what they, I'm playing, man. This is what they look like. And now this is how to brush for them. So for 360s, you're going to start off exactly the same way. You're going to brush the front straight down from your crown to the front of your hairline, all right? Nice and easy. Now for the side, you're going to change it up this time. You're going to go from your crown diagonally to your hairline, all right? So you're going to go like just above your ear basically, or just behind it. That's where you're brushing to, okay? Now for the back, you're going to brush straight down from your crown straight down to your neck. And then the other side, the exact same thing. You're going to brush diagonally down from your crown to the edge of your hairline just above or behind your ear. All right, nice and easy. And that's going to create that circle pattern, all right? Remember, this is just for beginners. Don't worry about brushing the bits in the middle yet. We'll get there. Okay, so now with 540 waves, this is what they look like. A bit slanted, you know, it's different. And this is how to brush for them. Okay, so 540s are kind of like slanted 360s, all right? So this is how you're gonna brush for it. You're gonna take your brush and you're gonna angle it. All right, then you're gonna go from one corner to the other, all right, in a diagonal motion, as you can see on the top, from one corner to the other. Then you're gonna take it and you're basically gonna come down horizontal, like vertically, all right? You're basically gonna brush vertically at this point, all right? Then from here, you're gonna go from the other corner to the other corner, all right? So you're just gonna basically just mimic the diagonal direction that you're brushing in at the top, and then here you're gonna brush horizontally, all right? Basically horizontally. That's how you're gonna brush on this side. Okay, so like I said, 540s are basically just slanted 360s, all right, which is why you get that diagonal effect going across your head. Nice and easy, man. And then with 720 waves, completely different to the rest. This is what they look like, and now this is how to brush for them. I was getting hot at this point. My ring light was causing heat. But basically, for 720s, you're gonna brush like this, all right? You're gonna brush across your head, all right? Across your head from one side to the other, okay? Then you're gonna take that from there and you're gonna kind of swoop it around. I'd call it a swoop. You're gonna swoop it around in a kind of curved motion. Then at the back, you're just gonna go across again, all right? From one side to the other. And then on the other side, you're gonna swoop it upwards, all right? So previously you kind of swooped it down, now you're gonna swoop it up, all right? In that exact motion, okay? Nice and easy. So it all connects together like you can see in the picture. And that's it. Now I know this one is a little bit weird, so I'm gonna cover it again. You go from one side to the other at the front, you swoop it downwards, all right? Swoop like that, curved motion downwards on one side. That's my right side that I'm doing it on. Then you go from one side to the other at the back and you swoop up on the other side, all right? You swoop from down to up, curved motion on the other side. All right, guys, so we went through the 4 different types of waves, 180, 360, 540, and 720, and I showed you how to brush for them. Now, I didn't cover how to brush your crown for them. Jesus. I'm gonna do that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be in the Wave 101 playlist as well. I already told you to go check that out. But in the next video, I'm gonna do my review on the Tremere brushes, man. I know you guys saw in the video I was using my Tremere soft brush, so I'm gonna drop the review for the Tremere product range in the next video, man. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and make sure you like this video. Smash the like button because I'm giving you guys all the keys to success, all of them. So make sure you smash the like button, man, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, man. Let's get that 100 subscriber mark, and make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I drop a video, man. It's been that G-Tal D, Wave to the world, and I'm out.